Shane, you have a dual role. You've got to protect this capability, and then, of course, you're using it against the bad guys.
Yep.
Tell us about the approach that CIS is taking.
So USCIS has never met a shiny object we didn't want and didn't buy five of. So
Well, at
AI,
least you admit it here in public.
oh yeah, I would never deny that. I value honesty above all. And so the fact that AI has really gained so much especially public awareness is not surprising. It is an amazing technology. But the reality is USCI started and even on the security side, we started utilizing AI technologies as far back as 2015 and 2016 in our SOC when we deployed it with our SOAR products and as part of our SIM. Utilizing machine learning then was how we handled cloud. It was cloud. We expanded and into our cloud environment. It really took that type of technology to enable us to be able to deal with the log ingest, to be able to find the vulnerabilities, and to be able to ferret out the activities that we were looking for. We would later deploy more machine learning with our endpoint detection as well as network detection. And then we'd also leverage things like neural learning for spam filtering. So, the idea of doing artificial intelligence is not new. I think what is new and what's really gaining momentum and is driving a change in the IT landscape is the generative side of it. That's sort of the power and the future. I think that when we start talking about AI, I think that's what everyone's really worried about. Well, worried about and excited about. I think it's kind of. I did a post on LinkedIn where I referred to it as in the first part of the Tale of Two Cities, where he talks about the best of times and the worst of times. It's kind of like that, right? Because AI offers, especially the generative side of it, offers some amazing capabilities in terms of how to meet the mission and do things that we simply couldn't do before, or we did in exceptionally difficult ways. And now we have this opportunity to really capitalize on that. But at the same time, generative AI is uniquely different. It is outside of a lot of the type of IT security that we do. And it's going to require specialized sort of security controls and specialized policies and an update to new overlays for us to use. That stuff doesn't exist yet. And in fact, there's a lot of discussion within the security community about what that really is. So, I think the future of AI is all about the promise that it provides us. But at the same time, we need to be very careful of what we're getting ourselves into and that we don't bite off more than we can chew before we're ready for it.